Season 2, Electromagnetic Spectrum, Physics in Necrotic World, Episode 38, Colour. Welcome strangers, RGB, that's your primary colour set, red, green and blue. It's not red, blue and yellow as art would have you believing. Yellow is actually a secondary colour. The primary colours that make up colour are red, green and blue. Red and green makes up yellow. Green and blue makes up cyan. Blue and red makes magenta. All three primary colours make a blinding white light. To trace what haunts, we seriously have to first believe it exists. That is unmistakably possible, very much so. That is a ghost path. Despair can quickly turn to hope and vice versa. States change. They flip. They contrast, states. Very cool. However, the systems still have a sort of magic to it, beyond belief sometimes. It's incredible. Seemingly, quotation marks, seemingly broken systems still sense. They still connect somewhat to the greater system. So, in a sense, living death works. I mean, when you're still watching. When you don't sprint to, quotation marks, escape the systems that constantly you're still mentally or somewhat part of. Even when everything's shot, a system's still watching back. That's why magic still isn't hope. It's a sort of structure. It's analysing the factual shards and considering their possibilities, reflecting off them with a lighter perception, if you wish. Watching the room light up with colour from the mini prisms as the presence is sealed into your reality. Paths only shimmer with quotation marks light when believed so. Spiraling for possibility, then tracing with perception, is what gives rise to true presence. It maps the haunting ghouls. That's why Broken still breathes. Breathes. Like BREATHES, yeah? I might have said that before, but anyways, this is colour itself, so it's relevant. Opaque objects reflect and absorb EM waves, electromagnetic waves. Translucent reflect and refract and absorb. And hang on, yeah, they scatter as well. Transparent objects transmit, so filters through all waves and refracts at boundaries because of the variations in the refractive indexes of the materials. Okay. See you next time at Physics in Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian, R out.